big deal. With big savings on selected nearly new cars. Like a 67-plate DS4. Now available for just $14,998. That's a £1,000 saving. Arnold Clark's Black Friday weekend. This weekend only. Visit arnoldclark.com/Black Friday. Offer ends Monday.
Antibiotics were wonderful pills, but don't ever pick the cure all of your ills. So every time you feel a bit under the weather, so always think that we could make you better. Take us for the wrong thing, that's dangerous to do. When you really need us, we could stop working for you. So please don't end up paying the price. Always take your doctor's advice.
Taking antibiotics when you don't need them puts you and your family at risk. Take your doctor or nurse's advice and keep antibiotics working.
Want fewer ads and more music like this?